The P0366 diagnostic trouble code indicates a problem with the camshaft position sensor B circuit on bank 1. This sensor monitors the camshaft's rotation, which is critical for precise engine timing, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. The code triggers when the sensor's signal is out of the expected range or performance parameters, directly impacting engine performance. When a P0366 fault occurs, several symptoms can indicate the issue. Common signs include rough idling, where the engine runs unevenly at low speeds. Engine misfires may happen, causing the vehicle to hesitate or jerk during acceleration. Reduced power means the engine may not perform as expected, with less acceleration and responsiveness. The check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting you to a problem. In severe cases, the vehicle may stall while driving or fail to start altogether. These symptoms arise because the engine control module, or ECM, is not receiving accurate camshaft position data, leading to improper engine timing. The most frequent cause of P0366 is a faulty camshaft position sensor itself, accounting for 50 to 60% of cases. The sensor may fail to provide an accurate signal due to wear or internal damage. Damaged wiring or connectors are another common culprit. Corrosion, shorts, or loose connections can interrupt the electrical circuit, preventing proper signal transmission to the ECM. ECM issues, such as software glitches or module failures, can also trigger P0366. The engine control module may misinterpret or fail to receive sensor data. Mechanical problems like timing chain wear or oil contamination can affect the camshaft position sensor. An elongated or damaged timing chain disrupts proper camshaft rotation timing. Less common causes include interference from aftermarket parts or voltage irregularities. When diagnosing P0366, it's important to consider all potential issues systematically. Begin by connecting an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port. Scan for the P0366 code and record any freeze frame data, which captures engine conditions at the time the fault occurred. Visually inspect the wiring harness and connectors for the camshaft position sensor. Look for signs of damage, corrosion, fraying, or loose connections that could cause the circuit to malfunction. Using a multimeter, test the camshaft position sensor's resistance and output voltage. The typical output should be between 0.3 and 1 volt AC when the engine is running. Perform a camshaft synchronization test using an oscilloscope or multimeter. This verifies that the sensor's signal matches the camshaft's rotation and timing. Finally, check related components like the crankshaft position sensor to rule out other issues that could cause similar symptoms. Ensure all timing components are functioning properly. Safety is crucial when repairing P0366 issues. Always disconnect the car battery first to prevent electrical shorts and protect the vehicle's systems. If diagnostic tests confirm the camshaft position sensor is defective, it should be replaced with a new or remanufactured unit. Clean any corroded connectors thoroughly and apply dielectric grease to protect against moisture and improve electrical contact. If the issue involves software glitches, reprogram the engine control module using manufacturer-specific tools and updated software. For vehicles with high mileage, consider overhauling the timing system, including belts, chains, and sprockets, as wear can contribute to sensor issues. After completing any repair, clear the diagnostic codes from the vehicle's computer and perform a test drive to verify that the P0366 issue is resolved and the engine operates normally. Modern camshaft position sensors incorporate advanced technologies like Hall effect sensors, which use magnetic fields to detect rotation with high precision and durability against engine heat and vibration. Magnetoresistive technology further enhances this by offering resistance to electromagnetic interference, ensuring reliable performance in harsh conditions. Smart sensors, developed by manufacturers like Delphi and Denso, feature self-diagnosing capabilities that identify potential issues before they cause failures. These sensors can transmit data wirelessly to the engine control module, enabling real-time monitoring and software updates without physical intervention. Looking ahead, camshaft sensors will integrate with battery management systems in hybrid vehicles, optimizing start-stop functions and improving overall efficiency. The future may see quantum sensors replacing traditional ones, utilizing nanomaterials for self-healing properties and achieving near-zero failure rates in advanced automotive applications. In 2023, General Motors issued a major recall for the Chevy Silverado 1500, affecting over 1.2 million vehicles from 2019 to 2021 models. The issue stemmed from faulty camshaft position sensor wiring that could cause intermittent stalling and trigger the P0366 code. A common real-world example involves a 2018 Ford F-150 with 150,000 miles that developed rough idling and poor fuel economy. Diagnosis revealed the P0366 code due to a corroded connector on the camshaft position sensor. In performance vehicles like BMW 3 Series models, P0366 can result from oil sludge contamination affecting sensor operation. This requires professional overhaul to prevent recurrence and ensure proper engine timing. Timing errors from P0366 can cause severe issues in high-performance engines. A valve timing diagram shows how precise synchronization is critical for engine efficiency and preventing accidents. Experts strongly recommend inspecting wiring harnesses and connectors for damage before replacing the camshaft position sensor. This step alone resolves many P0366 cases, as corrosion or shorts are common culprits. Statistics from industry sources like J.D. Power indicate that P0366 ranks among the top diagnostic trouble codes for internal combustion engine vehicles, impacting 3 to 5% of vehicle owners each year. Repair costs typically range from $150 to $400, with most issues being resolved within 2 hours of professional diagnosis. Always consult a professional mechanic for personalized advice, especially if you're not experienced with automotive electrical systems.